So this is the result of hair of Marlene. Yeah, I will show to you a nice, a beautiful volume here. We didn't cut nothing from the crown because it was already short, and we left it side also very long, so to get a little bit movement, because she had different haircut in her country. She's now with Vivyan Hair Design in Spain. We are doing a little bit different. We try to make a volume here, a maximum, so it's very nice and beautiful. And we washed her hair with a lovely nice silver shampoo and a nice mask, and to get a more shine and attractive hair color. And you can see it is all shiny. So this is Marlene. And Marlene, do you like your hair?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah? Are you happy with it? Yeah?
Very pleased.
Okay, thank you very much for being here in Vivyan Hair Design.
Pleasure.
Yeah?
Pleasure.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
So we are here back with Marlene from Ireland. As you see, we just finished her hairstyle. I just did a haircut and beautiful, nice blow dry for her. As you see, it's beautiful, nice with volume here, maximum volume. This hair was here very short, so we left it as long as we can. We can just little bit layer here down to make her more attractive. I really like her style. So Marlene, where are you from?
Ireland.
Yeah, do you like your hairstyle?
Yes, thank you.
Are you happy with it? Yeah.
Very pleased.
Thank you very much for visiting us, Marlene from Ireland. We are very happy she's been here in Vivyan Hair Design in Spain, and we wish you like our video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. Love my hair. Amal has just done it at Vivyan's. Very pleased with it.
Bye.